Tank shot, 10 seconds.
I must break you.
Fire! Alright, just make sure you're in neutral because we're on the top. Go ahead.
the PT-76 is alive again. Basically, we had an issue with this for the longest time with the water pump seal, and it really is the Achilles heel of these engines, and it's a $4 piece of rubber inside the water pump. This tank has been essentially finished for quite some time. We just haven't been able to locate a good seal. We've now found one. We put it in, it's holding, so now we're doing a test run, and every couple of laps as we get up to temperature, the guys will check for leaks and any issues, and we'll adjust accordingly. Once everything is good, we'll put the deck back on and button it up and get it out. We also have an issue with the generator, it's not charging. So what we began at Battlefield is a program with solar panels, which while the vehicle's sitting, we actually use solar panels to charge up the batteries. You can see the electric beds we've rigged up here. Everything is shrouded, sucks air down, and it seems to be cooling pretty well even without the cover. Once we put the covers on the engine, that cool air will stack inside the engine bay, and then it'll be forced out through here, creating a cooling system. Yeah, this is definitely a lot more impressive than I expected it to be, you know, it being a light tank and all, but an especially impressive part about this thing is how it handles. I'm sure you saw all of that. This thing turns on a dime. It really is, so we love it. We love it a lot more now than we did when it was sitting. Yeah, so driving this thing is actually extremely fun. It's got a lot of mobility as far as like when you really turn left, you really turn left. You can almost drift this thing. It's kind of fast and agile, so looks can be deceiving. You know, it's kind of a plain tank, but honestly, this thing moves.